and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If y'all oldie but still goodie, welcome back. It's your girl Everything Key, aka Kiana. I'm coming to you with my favorite unboxing, which is the CurlBox. This is a specialty box, but the price caught your girl eye. I saw $10 and I was like, what, for an entire box for 5 full-size products? What? Yes, I had to get it no matter what was in this box. So this is the box, and for you who don't know what this is, I'll just go to my base box, which is $20 and $5 shipping for that CurlBox. It comes every month with 5 to 7 full-size hair products, and accessories, things like that, wash day products, styling day products. But every month they also have a specialty box that can vary from price to price depending on the brand and what's in the box. So this was $10 and it's a scan box, so I'm super excited to see what's in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it for you all. So when you first open it, it looks like this. There's always a pamphlet in every box, and she is freaking slaying. Like, some people will look at her and be like, oh, why her hair all over her head? Bomb. Like, period. Like, her hair is straight bomb. Face structure, face, just everything is bomb. Even the highlighted neon color on her clothes, bomb. Like, it's just bomb. So this is the box. It says Skin Deep CurlBox, Palmer's CurlBox. So that's what's in this box. It always comes with this black tissue paper right here. You open it up and these are all the products. Let's get into the goodies. Hey. So the first thing I pull out is this coconut oil deep conditioning protein pack. It's for dry, damaged, and color treated hair. So it looks like this. The next thing I have in here is the Cocoa Butter Palmer's formula with vitamin E skin therapy oil. It looks like this. Okay. This says helps improve the appearance of scars, stretch marks, dry skin, uneven skin tone, and aging. It's 93% of the women tested saw a reduction in the appearance of their scars, so that's really good to know, and it's dermatologically tested. The next thing we have in here is a cocoa butter and biotin length retention leave-in conditioner, detangles, heat protection, and a moisturizer for color safe hair. It is 8.5 fluid ounces. Then we have, which is my favorite product by far, I freaking love this stuff and it smells so fire. This is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula with vitamin E daily skin therapy. It heals, softens, relieves rough, dry skin for 24-hour moisture. This stuff is amazing. Like, this is like an OG product. Like, take me way back. Then we have a little chapstick, cocoa butter formula chapstick. It's ultra moisture, relieves dry lips, 24-hour moisture, dry patches, marks, and scars. It looks like this. The last thing that we have in here is a natural vitamin E concentrated cream, specially formulated with the natural benefits of cocoa butter, avocado, apricot, and coconut oil. Apricot. And it says 24-hour moisture, multi-purpose. I've never seen this product. So this is a concentrated cream. Fragrance free. Okay. Let's see. Because I've seen the other products, but I've not seen this product. So I was just going to put a little. Oh, okay. So this is probably just like a hand cream or something like that. It doesn't have a smell. It feels pretty light. Here it is right here. It feels moisturizing, but it's not as heavy. This is how it looks. Doesn't have a shine or anything, but it feels good on my skin. Very moisturizing. So I'm steady smelling it. Girl, didn't you just say they had no smell? I'm steady. My life away ain't smelling nothing, but it is super soft. But yeah, that is my box. It was $10. I'm not gonna even cap, y'all. At first I'm like, why they got hair products and skin products? But it don't even matter, because this stuff was $10, and this stuff can get expensive. It's especially like scores, when they be like, oh, we're gonna take your marks off your body. Charge them $20 for a container. I know I want these marks off, but $20 these marks can stay and have all the fun, baby. What is you saying? So all these products for $10 is like amazing. Like, what, y'all? CurlBox never disappoints. I don't care what kind of box they come in with. They can come with a toenail box. Like, I'm ching ching, like they're getting my card number, period. But that's all I have. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to visit me on Instagram at Musics44. Don't forget to visit my business Instagram at Press Nails and Beauty. You can go ahead and get you some press-ons, some lip gloss, some bangles. Your girl's gonna be coming out with some candles in a minute as soon as I sit my tail down and get it together. But until next time, all my key bees and key dogs out there. Peace.